Adobe CS6 101, Adobe PS6 software download. Adobe CS6 refers to Adobe Creative Suite 6, which was the sixth major release of Adobe's Creative Suite software package. Creative Suite 6 was launched by Adobe in April 2012, and it included various applications for design, web development, video editing, and more. Here are some key components of Adobe CS6. 1. Adobe Photoshop CS6. Photoshop CS6 introduced several new features, including Content-Aware Patch, Content-Aware Move, improved auto-corrections, and a redesigned interface. 2. Adobe Illustrator CS6. Illustrator CS6 brought improvements such as a new image trace engine, pattern creation tool, gradient on a stroke, and enhanced Gaussian blur. 3. Adobe InSign CS6. InSign CS6 introduced liquid layouts, alternate layouts, content collector tools, link content, and Adobe Digital Publishing Suite integration. 4. Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Premiere Pro CS6 featured a redesigned user interface, improved Mercury playback engine, expanded multicam editing, and enhanced trimming tools. 5. Adobe After Effects CS6. After Effects CS6 included Global Performance Cache, 3D Camera Tracker, Variable with Mask Feathering, and new text and shape extrusion options. 6. Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. Dreamweaver CS6 introduced fluid grid layouts, improved jQuery mobile support, CSS3 transitions, and integrated support for Adobe Business Catalyst. 7. Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Flash Professional CS6 included improvements to the animation timeline, support for hardware acceleration, and enhanced sprite sheet generation. 8. Adobe Fireworks CS6. Fireworks CS6 brought enhancements such as improved CSS and jQuery mobile support, updated symbols panel, and improved performance. 9. Adobe Audition CS6. Audition CS6 introduced a redesigned user interface, enhanced audio editing tools, and support for round-trip editing with Premiere Pro. 10. Adobe Acrobat X Pro. Acrobat X Pro included improvements to PDF creation, editing, and collaboration features, as well as enhanced security options. Adobe CS6 was the last version of Adobe's Creative Suite to be offered as a perpetual license. After CS6, Adobe transitioned to a subscription-based model with Adobe Creative Cloud, where users pay a monthly or annual subscription fee to access the latest versions of Adobe software. While CS6 is no longer available for purchase directly from Adobe, some users may still use it if they have perpetual licenses from previous purchases. However, it's important to note that CS6 is no longer supported by Adobe, and users may encounter compatibility issues with newer operating systems and hardware.